Hey everyone, just a quick update here. I'm gonna be trimming all the Supertunias today. As you can see, we had about 3 straight days of downpours and also have some caterpillar damage, but the rain really did a lot of damage, as you can see. So I already started trimming the Jazzberries. I'm gonna keep trimming them. I'm gonna do all the Fuchsia, the Paradise, the Silverberry as well. I'm gonna trim them up really good. I've never trimmed Supertunias before, so it's the first time. As you can see, it's a lot of really leggy growth with a few flowers. But it's about time because it's July, after 4th of July, and gotta, refreshen them because they're gonna be growing into September. So this is just a quick update, but I'll film a full update later after everything is trimmed up. All right, so it's actually taken a long time to trim all these up, but I've finished 3 boxes so far. The Jazzberry, the Fuchsia, and I just finished the Paradise, although I might still go in there and trim up a little more. And that came all from the Paradise, plus there's some more over there that fell down. And I got the pile from the Fuchsia and the pile from the Jazzberry. There's a lot of growth, and a lot of it is rotted away. You see that nasty stuff? And I'll show you here before I trim the Silverberry. But basically, what you don't see is on the underneath of the Supertunia, you'll see all this rotted growth. You see all that? I'm gonna be cutting all that out from behind too. So that's what I've been doing here. You can see all the brown. And I'm saving the bubblegum for last because that's gonna be ridiculous. But you can already see just the sheer difference. Remember, the Paradise were bigger than a Silverberry at one point. All right, let me get back at it. So I finished trimming the bubblegums. You can see right there, they look terrible right now. I mean, they look terrible. They used to hang down to there. Look at that huge pile. Look at them all. Now, Proven Winners says on their website that you shouldn't really trim any more than 20% off. But then again, they also say you shouldn't put this many in one planter. There's 6 of them in there. So I don't really have any science behind it as far as that. All I wanted to do was get them up to the bottom of the box and trim all the dead debris off. So you can see really nasty stuff. I mean, really nasty. And I did that for all of them. I might do a little more on maybe the Jazzberry. I'm not sure yet. I might just leave it and see what happens. This is either going to be a good decision or a bad decision. I don't know what will happen, but it's only in the beginning of July, so there will be growth all the way from now up until the first frost, which should be at the end of September. So we'll see what these bubblegum and all the other Supertunias can do. They should be able to come back stronger than before. But anyway, I got a big mess to clean up. So I'll catch you later.